Hi, I'm back. This is going to be Darcy, our rescue kitty's tree, and Bobby's going to be putting it together this weekend. And it comes with those. Those are the posts. And then it's going to have, looks like little spots where she can lay down. And once it's put together, I'll put it and maybe show you her playing on it. This is Darcy's new toy tree, and she's up there. We just put her up there, and she doesn't know what to think of it yet. And sunshine.
Hi everyone, it's crazy big. We didn't realize how big it would be. It's 7 foot, it's huge. It's for multiple cats, so Darcy's gonna have lots of fun on it, y'all. And it goes all the way down there. So yeah, it goes down there and goes up. And there's little Darcy. And it still goes higher. Way up there. So she's got a lot of perches she can get onto and get sleep and play and scratch. And she's getting at that age where she's driving us crazy, so she needed this very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, y'all. I love watching her play. It's so cute.
Here's Darcy jumping off her tree. And off the bed. And she likes going for my feet. And up the bed. Hi, Darcy. Hi. Here. Okay. And my hand. Get it? She got it. Oopsies. And she's down. Hi, Darcy. Okay. Come here. Hi, Darcy. Looky. She already knows how to get off. And there's the pillows. Don't chew on my pillow. Hi, Darcy. And she's gone. Hi, Darcy. Hi, Darcy. Hi, Darcy. Hi, Darcy. Peekaboo. I see you. Hi, Darcy.